In this video, I will show how to add Snapchat friends you accidentally removed. Open your Snapchat. Go to your profile here. Let's say this friend is accidentally removed and I want to add them again. Then go to Add Friends. And if you know the username of that friend, then search for it. Here you will find them. Tap on this Add button and that friend will be added. Another method for adding that friend is go to Camera of Snapchat. At the top right corner of screen, you will find a contact icon. Tap on it. At the top right corner, there is a snap code icon. Tap on it. Now, if you have the snap code of that friend, then simply click on it and your friend will be added. There is one more method for ADD, the accidentally removed friend. If that friend is in your contact list, then from there you can add them. For this, tap on this contact option, which is at the top right corner, and then you can see it. That's pretty much how you can add a Snapchat friends you accidentally moved. I hope you found this video helpful. I would appreciate if you like this video. See you next time.